Hey guys, this is Hemant from Team Alpha, and today I'll be demonstrating Binanconomy. It is BNB's first chain compliance gasless paymaster that helps you create flash wallets. So, what is the problem? Why did I create this? Right? So, whenever I create a new wallet, when I want to use to completely, cut off trace, I have to fund that new wallet. And when I fund that new wallet, I get doxed because I use my original wallet. And if I want to run AI agents and AI bots, I can get doxed very easily. So the problem statement is that, right? So gas abstraction is a big pain because where are you going to get the funds from? How are you going to route? And how do you do it in a zero knowledge and a very safe manner, right? So that is the problem I'm solving. How am I solving this? Is we'll have EIP 4337 smart contract, which will log in. There's a Paymaster that is developed by Binanconomy. It's a twist on Binanconomy, and then you issue gas credits. So you purchase gas credits as an ERC20 token, and the amount of credits you have, you fund your children wallets, and you can also enforce policy controls on these new wallets, and then you can also hand over it to the AI to do something, which I'll demonstrate. Right. So this is the system architecture. That's the control plane which issues the gas credits. There is client where CLI and SDK is available. And of course, in chain, we have our contract, which is the Paymaster. I'm using Pimcolo bundler. We have a smart account factory, entry point, etc., etc. Right? It's demo time. So as you can see, I'm gonna connect my MetaMask. My MetaMask is gonna pop up. I'm gonna connect, and as soon as I connect, it's gonna ask for a signature request. So once I go there, I am gonna log into the interface, and let's just give it a second. So this is the credits purchase and everything. So I'm gonna quickly buy gas credits. So I'm gonna buy for a very small amount of Binance thing. So I'm gonna click purchase. My MetaMask is gonna pop up. It's gonna ask for a transaction request, which I'm gonna approve, and it says credits purchased successfully, and it'll reflect on my chain on my dashboard real quick. Now it has reflected. So these are the gas credits, and this is all officially happening on testnet. So when I go to wallet, it will load root wallet. So you have to deploy your root wallet. So one thing to note is let us note down what is my Ethereum address. So you can see this is my actual Ethereum like Binance chain address, okay, which ends with 0016. So I'm gonna deploy a root wallet, right? So once I deploy, it's gonna ask for a small transaction amount, which I will provide it with. It will submit. So once we deployed, let's just wait for a while, right? So, and I'm gonna quickly hit, let's just wait until the transaction hits the chain and until our transaction gets confirmed, right? So as you can see, the deploy went. Now we just have fun. So we're gonna fund the smart wallet with some BNB, which is gonna pop up another request, which I will submit. And now I have submitted, right? And you can see there is some value. So if I go copy this, put it in the, let's just go to another tab, put it over here, check, and you can see I have 0.01 BNB. Now I'm gonna create a child wallet. So I'm gonna create a child wallet. I'm gonna call it AI wallet 1. I'm gonna give a random salt, let's say 3, and I'm gonna say create wallet. And once I do this, I should be getting a request. Yeah. So we are gonna deploy this wallet onto the chain. So let's just go confirm, and I get a signature request, not a transaction request, but a signature request. So once we confirm, let's just wait for a while. So it is submitting the deployment of the wallet, and we'll just wait for it. And now you can see this wallet has been deployed, and we are going to fund this wallet with some BNB. And once we do, we get another request from the MetaMask, like a signature request. We fund the wallet. So now you can see if I copy this, go to the Explorer, and if I paste, we have the wallet, but you can see it, the contract creator ends with triple DF, but our original EOI wallet ends with 000616A. So we have completely shielded who we are, and we are gonna ask the AI to get control of this. Can you query all my child wallets for the account this? And it uses a CLI which will query the children and the gas that's available with all the data. So you're giving LLM the access and the power to do so. So as you can see, it is logging in using the CLI. It's getting a token, and yeah, it's fetching the child wallets. And once it does, it finds the child wallets like a wallet one, and it gets the balances and everything. And it shows what BNB how much is available. Yeah. So yeah, thank you.